Checking your car's engine oil is a lot easier than it sounds. But before we begin, make sure your vehicle is parked on level ground and the engine has been off for at least 2 hours. First, open the hood and find the dipstick. It looks like this. Pull it out and wipe it clean with a paper towel. Doing this will help give you an accurate reading. Now, insert the dipstick back into its tube, then pull it out again to see where the level is. Here you can see if the oil is within the full or add oil marks. If it's lower than the add oil mark, you'll need to add more engine oil. But don't go over the full mark because that would be bad for the engine. Want to check your oil life? You can access the Oil Life Monitor display on the DIC by scrolling on the steering wheel control. There you can see an estimate of the oil's remaining useful life so you can keep your engine in good shape. And if the remaining oil life is low, the Change Engine Oil Soon message will appear on the display. For specific recommendations for your vehicle, including the type of oil your vehicle requires, check the owner's manual. If your vehicle is properly equipped, you can also check your oil life on the My Chevrolet mobile app. Just go to the Vehicle Status tile on the home screen. Nobody knows your Chevrolet better than the experts at Chevrolet Certified Service, because a little caring goes a long way.